If you're watching this right now and you think you're late in buying your stuff for uni, trust me, you're not. Hi my babies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I got from Home Bargains as I'm going to uni in September. Bathroom, toilet stuff.
Got the bathroom organisation.
To organise the bathroom, I got a mini bin. It looks like this, but it's got a lid as well on top of it.
It was so unexpected. Even a new bin could trigger my sensory issues.
I also got a dustpan. I also have a laundry bag to keep my dirty clothes in, and then I can go with the washing machine. Kind of looks like this. I also heard that, you know, washing machines in uni are pretty expensive, and like for every load, I don't know, that's what I heard. It's really big, by the way. I'm gonna come closer as well. I also got a shower caddy as well to keep all my storage stuff in here. Like, I'm not sure what I'm gonna be putting. Probably I'm going to be putting probably my skincare stuff here. I don't have my skincare product with me right now, but if you do want to see my skincare routine, let me know. I get asked a lot what my skincare routine is, but they are relative. That is that I don't have one. My skin is actually currently in the purging state, so I'm kind of getting used to a new product that I've just tried out. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. This is the storage caddy that I was talking about. In 3 packs, and it's got this lovely patterns, and it's in the shade black. There's some packs that were bigger than this. This is just a tiny one. If I do choose to buy a bigger one, then I will get it, but for now I just take a small one. It would work just as fine.
Next we've got oral care and shower care.
I also decided to get a bamboo toothbrush. It's sustainable and it helps to reduce plastic waste. I've tried the bamboo toothbrush before. Yeah, that's exciting. I've also got a toothpaste from Colgate to protect my hair when I'm in the shower, my natural 4C hair. I also got a shower cap, which looks like this. It's got some nice detailing, some nice strawberry and nice pink strawberries, red strawberries, detailing like this. It says hello summer. It is currently summer. Inside it's not made of plastic. I'm not sure what the material is. I'm guessing polyester. I've got my favourite shower cream. I'm in love with Dove. I've got so many Dove products. I've got the deodorant as well with Dove. I've got this one here. I really love how creamy it is and how hydrating it is. As someone with dry skin, it really is nourishing, as it says, and it doesn't have sulfates in it. And it is a body wash. It is really creamy. It lathers us so well. It is plant-based. It doesn't have sulfates. It's naturally derived cleansers. And yeah, it's got a really nice formula and really nice thick consistency. I just love it, and I'm just obsessed with the smell as well. I don't know if it's just me, but what's your favorite body wash to use? Just lovely. It just keeps my skin feeling fresh and so nourished and so plump, and so it's just so nice. Dove is so nice.
We've got some cleaning supplies next.
So lastly, I've got some cleaning stuff. So I got this all-purpose cloth, you know, for cleaning surfaces and stuff like that. I used to see this all-purpose cloth when I used to be in college, and it just reminds me of that. I don't know if it's just me, but does your college have these kind of cloths as well in the school environment? Because I remember having them, and it just brings back some memories.
Next we've got some skincare.
Cotton pads. It was 2 packs for £1. That's such a bargain. Home Bargains, such a bargain. Such a bargain. Like, literally, it's such a bargain. Like, just, it's such a bargain, like how the store name is. But I'm excited to try it though.
Uni Shopping list advice and uni accommodation advice.
If you want the list as well of things that I've wrote down and what to buy, let me know. Also, another thing, again, check with your uni whether, so you don't end up buying things twice. the accommodation that I'll be in, 11 en suite, so that means that I've got my own bathroom. But I do know other people may have shared bathrooms, and if you do have shared bathrooms, I would definitely say get a shower caddy, so a shower basket, and you could just put your stuff in and go to the shared bathroom with it, and then when you're finished, just take it back to your room. Thank you so much for watching our video. In my previous videos, I showed the kitchen stuff, and in this video, I decided to do the bathroom edition. So I'm so excited to show you everything that I've got from Home Bargains. I started buying this in June. I thought it was late, but apparently not. But if you're watching this right now and you think you're late in buying your stuff for uni, trust me, you're not. You're not. I thought I was, and I can guarantee you you're not. Take your time. You know the best time you can go and shop your kit out for uni. So yeah, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like the video.
I hope you have a nice day, and in case no one's told you today, I'm so proud of you. Now look at my bloopers. I've got some bloopers.
Let's get started with the video. Like, I'm still experimenting. I'm still experimenting the routine that works for me. Hi my babies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what I got at Home Bargains, as I'm going to uni in September, and I decided to buy some stuff for the bathroom. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you now what I got. It's not a lot of stuff, but I've not gotten absolutely everything. I've got the things that I could have gotten, and then next time I am still buying things. It's just July has just started, so I still have to buy loads of things. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and let me know if you've done your uni shopping yet as well. I'd love to know that. It's not everything, absolutely everything. I've still got more to buy.